Hello and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. Hello and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make this little Christmas wreaths. It's very easy and fast to make. On my case, I will use Symphonia plain yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn and it's about 3 millimeters. You can buy this and another yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. But remember, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer, but maybe the size on this project will be different and you need to select the correct hook. We just need two colors, the colors that you prefer. On my case, I will use red and this green colored yarn. With this yarn, I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Also, we need scissors, wool needle, and also I will use glue, but you can sew it if you prefer that. And that's it. This is all the materials that we will need. So if you are ready, let's start. We will start making the wreaths or the crown, and we will start with the slip knot using green colored yarn, the slip knot, and then 51 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will continue doing chains until I have 51. But if you want this wreath bigger than this one, you can start with 61 chains, for example, or more. You finish the 51 chains or the chains that you prefer, we will start in the second one. In each chain, we will make 3 double crochet. Take the loop for the first double crochet starting on the second chain. 1, 2, and 3 double crochet in the same base. Again, 1, 2, and 3. And that's it. We will continue doing 3 double crochet in each chain until finish all the chains. If you starting with 61 chains, also you need made a 60 triple double increase. On my case, I just need a 50 double triple increase. This is the result after that. You can see the result on the beginning, but at the end, you need accommodate, put it in the best position, and that's it. It's easy. Now you need to leave a long yarn. For clothes and also using a wool needle, we will make the circle. If you want to use some wire, you can also do it, but you need a green wire. I tried with one, but it's not the same color like this yarn, and I don't like that you can see the wire on the center. For that reason, I will use the same yarn and some wool and a wool needle. Then pay close attention, and you can see how I made that. It's easy. For the bow, I will use red colored yarn, and we will start with a magic rain and then 4 chains. This is the first chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 4 double crochet. Take the loop 2 times on the beginning and pay close attention, and you can see how I made this. This is the first double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Now 4 chains more, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 slip stitch on the magic rain. And after that we will repeat exactly the same one more time. 4 chains, 4 double crochet, and 4 chains more, and 1 slip stitch for the end. And also you can see later how to close this bone, and also how to make the union with the wreath. And we will make another chains just to put in the bone before make the center. it? I already have two. You can see another one on the beginning of the tutorial. I hope and you like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next project. Bye bye.